Okay, so now next topic. First we have done distance and displacement. Now the next thing that is very important to learn, that is about scalar and vector quantities. What are these scalar and vector quantities? See, in physics we are studying all the physical quantities. Physical quantities that can be measured. Okay, these all quantities which we are studying in physics can be measurable, having units. Okay, so now about scalar and vector quantities. First of all, we should understand about magnitude. What is magnitude? Magnitude means any number added with a unit. किसी भी नंबर के साथ जब आप यूनिट ऐड कर दोगे, that will be its magnitude. Okay, without unit this number is simply that number 5. What does it mean? Nothing. But if we are adding kilometer, so it is very clear that we are talking about which physical quantity? Distance or displacement. So what is magnitude? Number added with unit, that is called magnitude. Okay, now scalar, there are two types of quantities, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Quantities which are having magnitude but no particular direction, like we have learned here, this example I told you, A to B, B to C. See here, it is not following any particular direction because it is going A to B, then direction change here B to C. So when no particular direction is followed, then we'll say that this quantity is scalar quantities, when it is not following any particular direction. Okay, having magnitude, all these physical quantities are having magnitude because it is having these units, and in physics all are having units. So having magnitude but no particular direction. Example, we can say distance. You can write example distance, because distance can be measured A to B, B to C, C to A, like no particular direction is there. Now vector quantities. Quantities which are having magnitude as well as particular direction. Now here magnitude is there, as we know, and having particular direction also. Like here ABC. Distance we can measure A to B, B to C, C to A. But displacement is AC. That means it is following a particular direction. So when particular direction is followed, these type of quantities are called vector quantities. Here you can write example displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity because it followed a particular direction. So these all are about scalar and vector quantity. In all the quantities which we will learn now, we have to distinguish scalar or vector also. Like distance, what type of quantity it is? Scalar. But displacement is following a particular direction, that's why it is vector. Okay.